All right, Ashley, you're up. Love it.
Hey.
I love it. Yeah. Ready? Everybody, clap on. Clap on.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la.
You feeling better? Your temperature is 101 though. You're gonna take your medicine after you eat, okay? How about you? Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you eating?
Egg, waffle, and waffle.
Pancake.
Nice Gatorade. Water.
No please, no nothing.
Can I have Gatorade, please?
Eating for lunch, guys.
No, I'm eating a snowman.
Alex's favorite.
No, I'm eating a snowman.
Eating a snowman?
Yeah, cookie snowman for me.
How are you feeling, Ats? Ats. How are you feeling? Hey, how are you feeling? Your temperature is 101.7. Do you feel sick? Are you better now? Your stomach still hurts. Where's Daddy and Delaney? Daddy and Alec? You don't know? This is third day. Friday, Saturday. It's already Sunday. Third day. You still have fever, and we'll have to pray you feel better, okay?
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away.
Kevin, this is right
Matt
here.
looks, or Kevin looks the most different.
But Kirsten is right here.
Oh wow.
How was that?
And that's Mary Wilson, their
Yep.
other grandmother. What year
She
is
came
that,
to Kate's
Karen?
baby shower. I remember. This picture.
Oh my gosh. Give me a ballpark.
So Laura Ashley was here for that, so she was 13. That would be the time frame. This was the Christmas she was here.
Grab it. Featuring.
I know it for a fact. She was 13.
Light bulb for you.
I don't know what
You
you
grab a cup out of the. You can grab. Hey, when you want to pick something up on the ground, you can pick it up with that. You don't need to bend down and pick it up. It actually helps out a lot.
To teach her how to use it.
I got one at the house.
I've never seen one of them. I want to see one of them.
I like this piece.
Save it from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
It's never gonna be like that.
Never happens.
It's not one.
I can't get into it.
Yeah, start ripping it apart. Rip that paper off
A
there.
couple more days of work in the garage.
Ooh.
and it's done.
Boy, it's nice and fluffy. Oh, it's one of those.
Remember you liked the one that Ann was wearing at one time?
Yes,
And
ain't she a sweetie?
She's thinking about it.
Where'd you get her? Isn't that nice? Oh, I'll be the envy of the Charleston. I get me some black
Yeah,
pants.
put this down here. Ooh, there you go, right there. There you go.
Where'd you get that?
Remember you were loving that at Thanksgiving. You were loving that.
Yeah, I was a loving hands. Isn't that cute? Ooh.
Well, model for us.
Grandma's going.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart.
All right.
You gave it away. This year, to save it
Hey!
I love it. Yeah. Ready? Everybody, clap on. Clap on.
Candy.
See you, Mom. Pull that out and open it up. Take it.
Oh, it's actually right up.
Hey, that looks good.
Let's see.
Oh, Lenore, that was good.
Looks like Grandma got the best gift.
I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it
AMC. The movie card.
Dale likes to sit in the back by himself.
What is it, Dale?
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save it from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
What you got, baby? What you got from your party, baby? What you got from your party? What you got, Daddy?
Cheer up a little bit.
Chips.
What happened? The $5?
Uncle Kerry gave me $5,
And he budgeted himself.
and we drove to 7-Eleven, and at 7-Eleven I paid my $5, and when we just got there, I just saw that this got whipped.
Oh gosh.
And when
Wow, the $5 you're sharing it to your sister?
I spent all of it.
Yeah, to give Gatorade for your
I
sister?
got 2 Gatorades, 1 donut, chips, and soup.
Oh.
That's it.
Okay. What you got in there, Ats?
So
Yeah.
this was the white elephant. Outback Steakhouse.
Yay!
Kevin gave us a $50 Visa.
Yay!
So let's make it easy. Which one do you want?
Oh my gosh, the Visa.
'Cause I'll just eat this at lunch instead.
This small Visa's for me. Open it. Oh, you got a slime. Who gave you the slime?
Gary got that at the thing we went to, Mom, where they sing Carolyn at Annapolis. The stores and the shops.
Okay.
They got them to make it for
And
us.
then I got this one. It says to Delaney, love Dale and Lenore.
Ah.
Actually, Delaney, actually this one is my electric.
I like that
book.
Alex, turn off your iPad, please.
This book's at my school, and I saw it.
Awkward. Oh.
I like these kinds of books, but I never got that book because it was
What are you gonna say?
dirty. So, thank you.
Show me the book.
Awkward.
What is that? Is that a book?
Yeah. Perfect. You don't have to be on your iPad all the time. You can read a book.
I see more slime. Open
What
it
is
up.
that?
What is that?
I think this one's for Alec.
No, I think it's for you. I'm not sure. I just open it.
They did not put the name.
I think it's
But if
suggesting
it's like,
here.
if it's a boy thing, then I'll give it to
I think
Alec.
it's suggesting here.
Let's put all my trash cans.
Did they like our gifts?
More slime.
Oh, so the other slime is for the potty.
Putty. This one's
love
putty.
you. She
I
loves
bet.
Alec, you can have one of these if you want. Same faces. Alec, here you can have the gold putty. I mean slime. Yeah. This one's also from Uncle Dale and
Oh, Dale and Lenore.
And they say thank you.
best
Dale.
friend bracelets.
If you say thank you to the camera.
Cool.
Make all 16 cool designs.
Very
Who do you think?
nice.
What? Oh,
Who is it
thank
from?
you. Oh, look, it opens.
The Aunt Lenore, the who?
Look at the camera, not when you say
Aunt
that.
Lenore and Uncle Dale.
See, that gives you something to do. That's
Something to
crack.
do. All right.
Thank you.
Yay, Daddy and Alec went back
So
from
now,
my party.
give Delaney the camera, and Delaney, you do the camera on Mommy while she opens Aunt Carrie's gifts. So you can show Carrie.
Got it? Mm-hmm. All right. My hair, a mess. Thanks, Carrie. No, you don't have to do that, Mac. You can look at it.
I like doing this. It looks cool.
Oh, crabs!
Oh,
I want crabs for Christmas.
This is where we put our crabs?
Hey, you make crab imperial and you put it in the oven and cook it. You make food.
No, but this is where we put our vinegar and
Look in the camera.
crab imperial, Annapolis pottery. Cool. Oh, cool. Good. I
Think
love
that
it, love it,
you
love
can
it,
use
love
that for salt and vinegar,
it. Yeah, I love it.
but you don't really have to. Then that one could be for Old Bay or
Perfect.
something.
Oh, very nice. Thanks, Gary. Hey, egg baker. Ooh, very nice. Thank you. And one more. Ooh.
Special salts. All different kinds from the world.
Kitty, did you find
Taste
the elf?
Annapolis.
Daddy, did you
Smoked
find the
salty
elf?
collection. Thank you.
Ooh, look at all the things she got.
Thank you very much. Very nice.